you doing, buddy? All right, come on. Get back in the truck, dude. Hold up. Hold up. All right, we've just got to our first trailhead, or parking lot of 3 trailheads.
Yep.
Which ones are we doing?
The door, the window, and the notch trail.
And all of them combined are only like 1.7?
Something like that.
A little bit less than 2 miles. We do what we normally do, which is go to the visitor center, get our sticker, and then go towards the furthest end of the park, and then start working our way back. This is so cool. Right out of the parking lot, looks like we've already hiked somewhere cool.
I
Heard that. Enter the door trail. The door trail leads to the broken landscape that earned this area the name Badlands. Over time, water sliced through the earth around you, exposing sedimentary rock layers. These layers continue to erode today into dramatic canyons and spires. Explore these features up close by passing through a natural door at the end of the boardwalk. Going down here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, this is crazy. We are off the boardwalk and into the Badlands we go.
Me?
I don't know where we're going.
Oh no, two's right over
Oh, but I don't know where we're going, actually. As a matter of fact. This is crazy.
And now we're off the boardwalk.
It's unreal. Oh. There's no real trail, you just aim for the yellow poles. It's so solid. It's like straight up rock. I thought it was almost clay formations or something, but very solid. Here to the end.
You're not even looking at me, are you?
Nope.
I don't think so. I'm sitting here posing with it.
All right, that was the end of the trail. We got like not even a half-mile hike back to the truck. This is just one short hike you can do if you have a short amount of time out here. Well worth it. And what you think? Very easy, huh?
Extremely easy.
Depends on how hot the sun is, I guess.
Yeah, there's no shade.
All right, we just stopped by the truck, refilled our water bottles, shedded a layer, and we are heading to the next trail, which is the window, right?
Yep.
Passing the sign right now, matter of fact. Sarah said it was 0.3, but I didn't expect it to be that short. There's the where it ends, and there's the parking lot. But all we're gonna do is go back to the parking lot, hang a left, and then it's gonna be taking us to the Notch Trail, which is supposed to be a really cool trail. It's got some ladders and some other stuff on it, and that one's 1.5 miles. Looks like we can just about go halfway up without using them. Woo!
That was cool.
That was pretty cool. Yeah. This is so cool. Looks like some kind of fault line running all the way across this thing. There's a couple of them, and they're green. It's pretty neat. All right, that was the end of the Notch Trail. We were heading back to the vehicle. We've got a couple more hikes planned, but it's getting kind of late in the day, so we're gonna get back, see what time it is, and see how much time we have left in the day. Kind of forgot we had to go back down the ladder. Got a big group of people in front of us, so we're gonna hang back here until they get down. Be careful, baby. No, we survived the ladder. All right, we're back to the truck.
What are you doing, buddy?
Hey, buddy.
Our next hike is a 4-mile hike, and it's looking like it's just too late for us to start that now. So looks like we're gonna ride around, maybe see a couple more viewpoints on the way back through the park, but it looks like we're gonna end up coming back in the morning to do the longer hike. Here you go. But yeah, as of right now, we're making our way back to the campsite.
What's up, buddy?
All right, we have made it back to camp just before dark. Kind of still see the colors of the sunset over here. Check out this campsite, you guys. All right, good morning, you guys. It is the following morning. We're getting ready to head into the park. First, we're just sipping our coffee and watching this beautiful sunrise. Just want to say real quick, if you are coming to Badlands National Park and you're looking for camping, this is definitely the place to be. It's called Badlands Boondocking Area, but it's hundreds of spots out here, all for free along this ridge. and it's just like not even 1 mile outside of the entrance gate to the national park. So definitely look for this area if you're coming to the national park and want to do some camping. But anyway, we're gonna finish this coffee and we're gonna head into the national park to do some more hikes. Wow, what a drive. I'm so glad we ended up coming back in the park this morning. It's kind of like a long drive. I think it's like 35-40 miles from camp, and we were just over here this direction yesterday, so we were debating on not driving back this way just because it was so far. But anyway, we made it to the trailhead. We're about to start hiking. What's the name of the trails?
It's Medicine Route and Castle Trail Loop.
It's 4 miles, right?
Yep.
Are we going across this little bridge?
This is the bridge right here.
Oh, this little bridge. Should only take us, what, maybe 2 hours? Usually do a mile in about 20-30 minutes, depending on how many times we stop to take videos. It all looks so much different than yesterday. I guess just the way the sun's hitting it now. Which way are we going first?
Right.
Medicine Route Loop. Feel like a rattlesnake's gonna jump out and get us at any second. We're a 1.5 miles in of the 4 mile loop. It's been pretty chill so far. Mostly flat trail, a little bit of overgrown grass, but we're hoping to get into those mountains right over there and hike amongst those some before we get back. I think that'd be pretty cool.
I agree.
Halfway in. It's warming up out here quick. And we are now at the foot or the base of all the formations we were hoping we were going to hike under or hike near. Oh, there are some other hikers out here. Must have pulled up right after us. Yep. All right, we just came from that direction. We now go that direction, but it looks like a cool viewpoint right up here. So I think we're gonna go check this out first.
All right, count to 10 in your head, starting now.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
We're like this far from touching each other. All right, ready? All right, start counting to 10 again, right now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whew. And scratch my camera all up.
Oh no.
All right, we are 2 miles from being back to the trailhead, which is the direction we're heading now. All right, so we're just walking along the trail and we see a bighorn sheep right up there, and the trail looks like it goes right in front of them. So not sure what to do. Guess probably just hang out right here for a second, see if he moves on. Sarah's about to get crammed. All right, we're just gonna try to sneak by them. He's not worried about us at all. We're not getting cramps today. There was just a bunch of rain like 2 days ago. This would have been super cool to come and look at after it rained. You can see it's still muddy down there. It's like a Badlands lazy river. And we are back to the parking lot. We'll be the only vehicle here this morning. And there is 2, 4, 6 vehicles here now. But it's still pretty early. It's only 10 in the morning. We did good. What, it took us 2.5 hours, right? I mean 1.5 hours.
Yeah, 1.5.
I was with all the stopping and messing around. All right, you guys, that pretty much wraps it up for our time here in the Badlands National Park. As cool as this park is, and as much as we want to keep hiking and doing other cool stuff, we have other plans. So heading back to the truck, get the camper, we're riding out.
Peace.
Thanks for watching, you guys. Later.